Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check GMC Sierra transmission fluid. Start by parking the truck on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then warm the engine until normal operating temperature. With the engine idling, open the hood and locate the transmission dipstick or fill plug per your owner manual. Wipe the dipstick clean, reinsert fully, then pull it again to check level and color. Use manufacturer fluid if topping up, and avoid overfilling. In this video, I will show how to check GMC Sierra transmission fluid. With the engine warmed and idling, shift to the recommended gear for your model before pulling the dipstick. Read the fluid level on the hot markings to confirm proper level and assess condition. If low, add small amounts of the specified fluid, wait a minute, and recheck to prevent overfill. Clean up any spills promptly and dispose of used fluid responsibly at a proper facility. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can keep making practical content. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make cleaning up grease rags and small parts way easier, and they keep your snacks safe while you work. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save time when you're focused on the job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to check GMC Sierra transmission fluid. After checking level, inspect the fluid color and smell to judge condition and health. Healthy fluid is translucent red and free of burnt odors, while dark or burnt-smelling fluid suggests heat damage or wear. If you find metal particles or milky appearance, stop and have a technician evaluate the transmission promptly. Regular checks help prevent costly repairs and extend transmission life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.